go. Well, we are back for challenge night. We have a ridiculous course. Very fast. Gonna be real interesting. Give you space there, bud. Okay, good. Oh, my seat goes. There goes my seat. Ugh. Okay, that didn't help. That seat went back farther. I need to get my seat forward somewhere. Don't know where I have time to get my seat forward. We are in the heat of battle here. Trying to figure out where we can get some speed to get in front of Brian here. Whoa! Didn't expect you to break that much, my bad. Okay, can we catch back up? I think we can catch back up. What is the right strategy? Well, always try to hit the inside, that's for sure. You know, it's funny, I was doing I did a half marathon the other week, this past weekend, and I actually used racing strategy for my running race. Like, I hugged every curve that I possibly could. Like, I would take, like, you know, a straight line from curve to curve, to try to, you know, minimize the amount of distance that I was running, and it, like, 100% worked. Aside from me having, like, basically the run of my life, I feel like, I also, like, I feel like it did help. Because by the time that race was over, like, I feel like my Strava was pretty accurate as to, Strava's like a run tracking application. I was definitely, like, under 13.1 miles by the time, so it definitely helped out a little bit. Oh, the race is over, okay. Alright, back for qualifying race 2. We finished 4th in the first one. Not really feeling confident about this one. I think my pedals stick, so that's probably not good, huh? Stop hitting me back there. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. Stop hitting me. Okay, we're back. I saw you probing back there, bud. I don't think so. Oh, we are sliding everywhere. Oh, we are so... Oh my god, these tires are so cold. These tires, and everything is sticking. My tires are so cold. This is bad. Oh my goodness. This is a disaster. That felt pretty good though. I feel like I'm not catching anybody. Maybe I'm catching them slightly. These tires are they have no grip. Oh, I'm sliding everywhere. Please get some grip. Please. Got your inside, bud. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Oh, we're sliding. Good times. Good times to slide. Good time to slide. Man, this is a fast course. This is a fast course. It feels nice. I'm actually like afraid to hit the brakes because I know these brakes are sticking. So I'm like trying to drive this whole thing without like braking that much, which is crazy. But we did it. Let's go. Fourth to first. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's go. Oh boy, okay. We're here for the feature race. They modified the track to be even faster than it was before. Oh.
2 seconds later.
Alright, roll and restart time. Because we can't make it one lap without an issue. Yep, you're doing good, bud. Good speed, good speed. And let's go! Oh! I think I'm a little better at that at the moment. We gotta take this Joker sometime. I'd really love for him to take it. Because I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. Like, literally no clue. I guess I probably got to experiment, huh? I don't know. I really don't want to take it and then, like, end up on the outside. and then we're just in trouble. Oh, I hit that real good. Oh, no. Or like I need to wait till I have enough space back there where I think I can take it and not get stuck in traffic in case it isn't bad, or in case it isn't good. Because I'm not convinced that it's actually going to be faster than the regular laps. I think I have enough now. Yeah, I'm not even sure it's better. Let's wait another lap and then we'll try to take one. Provided we don't mess up. Oh, this is the lap. Okay. What? Well, I guess we'll find out. Okay. Well, I was gonna take the thing. Why'd we get a... What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What just happened? What? Okay, I don't know what just happened. Okay, back here for a little bonus race. Bonus race doesn't always make the videos because I don't want them to go too long, but I have a feeling the races from earlier are pretty short, so probably going to end up including this, as long as it isn't a disaster. Oh, goodness. Brian is aggressive. Too bad you went a little too wide, bud. Oh, sorry, bud. Sorry. I think you lost a little traction. I got into you there. My bad. Oh boy, that might cause some issues later. Going a little wide there. Okay, now we gotta take the cones this time. Oh, up, okay. Up, okay, no grip. Someone's behind me. Okay, file in. Okay. Joker, not the Joker, the leader outside the cone part really isn't that bad. What happened?
2 seconds later.
Let's go! Let's go, Dave! I know you were looking around, so you missed it. Well, this is gonna be anticlimactic if that's truly the white flag. Alright, let's go! Whoosh!